What's going on, everyone? Trent here at Rocky Mountain ATVMC. Today, we're going to talk about Fender Eliminator kits. Now, if you're new to the adventure bike game, you just picked up your first used adventure bike or you just grabbed one right off the showroom floor, one of the biggest things that's going to stick out to you is that huge fender overhang that all of the OEMs put on the rear fenders of their adventure bikes. They're giant. They hold your license plate and sometimes your blinkers and stuff like that, but they're always way too long. They're ugly, they're cumbersome, they get in the way. And if you're taking your bike off-road, there's a pretty good chance you're gonna break it off. And you don't want that happening. Tusk has come to the rescue with the Tusk Fender Eliminator kits. This is gonna clean up the appearance of your adventure bike, but it's also gonna make sure everything is up and out of the way while you're taking your bike off-road. You don't want to be snagging that rear fender and ripping stuff off your bike while you're out on the trail. And this is going to solve that issue for you. Now, a big thing when it comes to these Fender Eliminator kits is these are very much so a machine-specific part. So to see if we offer one for your bike, you've got to first put in your year, make, and model of machine to make sure that we've got you covered with a Fender Eliminator kit for your machine. Now, a big thing you will want to do is after you've put in your year, make, and model, be sure to scroll down into the details on the page so that you can see everything that we've got as far as information goes for your specific Fender Eliminator kit. Now, a big thing I will show you as an example, like our kit for the Tenere. The Tenere is going to be offered with a kit that offers you the option of getting it with our Tusk blinkers or without. If you get it without, in the details it talks to you about how this right here, the holes for the blinker mounts are an M10 hole. So this isn't going to work with your stock blinkers, so you're still going to need aftermarket blinkers of your choice to make it work. The last thing you want to do is buy a brand new awesome product that's going to make your bike look better and perform better, and then find out that you have to get something else before you can get it to work on your machine. You don't want to miss out on a ride for something like that, so be sure to check out those details. Now, another thing that we've done with these Fender Eliminator kits is we've built them to last. They're going to come in either aluminum or steel, but they're all going to have a factory fresh black look. They're going to hold up great to the abuse that you're going to throw at it, and they're going to look great the whole time. Now, while you are in the details for this product, make sure to check out the videos. We've got a lot of install videos on these Fender Eliminator kits, and so there's a really good chance if you've got your bike in there, you're going to see an install video that's specific to your machine to help you walk through the install. This is also going to be coming with all the mounting hardware, so you've got everything that you need to make sure to put it onto your bike properly. So when it comes to these Fender Eliminator kits, this is going to be a must-have product. Clean up the rear end of your machine, as well as make sure that everything is up and out of the way while you take your bike off-road. To get yours, jump on the link below, or go to RockyMountainATVMC.com to find yours. As always, we do offer free shipping on all orders over 75 bucks. So if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent, and thanks so much for watching.